Types of softwares. Software is a collection of computer programs and related data that provide the instruction for telling a computer what to do and how to do it. Software includes computer programs, libraries, and related non-executable data such as online documentation or digital media. Types of softwares. Mainly there are two types of softwares, that is system software and application software. System software is further divided into system management program as well as developing program, and whereas application program is divided into general purpose software and specific purpose software. Now we'll discuss about system software. System software consists of several programs which are directly responsible for controlling, integrating, and managing the individual hardware components of a computer system. We can see in this image that system software is divided into system software management as well as the developing software. System management, it contains three main components. They are operating system, device drivers, system utilities. Operating system, it consists of programs which controls, coordinates, and supervises the activities of the various components of a computer system. OS performs all internal management functions and also ensures systematic functioning of a computer system. OS makes sure that programs running at the same time do not interface with each other. It is responsible for security, task scheduling, memory management, disk scheduling, etc. And coming to operating system examples, we use Windows operating system, but there are many more operating systems like Android, Unix, Linux, and DOS operating system, etc. Device drivers, a software which is written with the objective of making a device functional when it is connected to the computer, is called device driver. In the first picture we see that device driver is the interface between hardware and application, and in the second diagram it is an interface between hardware and the operating system, and we see that operating system is the interface between device driver and application. System utilities. These programs perform tasks related to the maintenance of the computer system. These are the packages which are loaded into computer during the time of installation of the operating system. They are used to support, enhance, expand, and secure existing programs and data in the computer system. System utilities mainly has some functions like disk compression, disk fragmenters, antivirus. Developing software is a software which provides service required for the development and execution of application software. Developing software consists of programming languages, language translators, linkers, and loaders. Programming languages. Programming language is the primary interface of a programmer with a computer. A programming language is an artificial language to express computation that can be performed by a computer. Programming languages are two types: low level language, medium level language. Low level language contains machine language and assembly language. Machine language is understood by the computer, that is, it is in binary digits. And when coming to assembly level language, it contains commands and or mnemonics which are understood by users, and the assembly language code is again decoded by the assembler. Example for assembly level language is microprocessor. And coming to medium level language, it contains high level language. It is machine independent language, and it uses translators. Language translators. A language translator helps in converting programming languages to machine level language. There are three types of language translators: assembler, compiler, interpreter. An assembler is a translator which translates a program written in assembly language into machine code. Here in the diagram we can see assembler code is converted into the machine code with the help of assembler. Compiler. It both converts high-level code to machine code in one session. Compiler is platform dependent. Example for compiler is Turbo C. Interpreter. An interpreter translates a code like a compiler but reads the code and immediately executes the code and gives the output. Example for interpreter is Python. Linker. Linker is a system program which links together several object modules and libraries together to form a single and coherent file. Loader. Loader is a kind of software which is responsible for loading and relocating of the executable program in the main memory. It is a part of operating system that brings an executable file residing on the disk into the memory and starts its execution process.